Now we'll discuss the importance of management. First, management helps in achieving group goals. Management is required not for itself but for achieving the goals of the organization. The task of a manager is to give a common direction to the individual effort in achieving the overall goal of the organization. So this is the first benefit of management, that it helps in achieving the group goals. Whenever we talk about management, management helps to direct the efforts of the individuals who are working at different levels of the organization towards the common goal. So it helps in achieving the group goals of the organization. Now when you talk about group goals means what? Like purchase department has its own goal to achieve, production department has its own goal to achieve. The same way different departments have their different goals to achieve, and management unites the the efforts of different departments towards the achievement of the common goal of the organization. Second, management increases efficiency. Yes, the aim of a manager is to reduce cost and increase production or productivity through better planning, organizing, directing, staffing, and controlling the activities of the organization. So management has to perform various activities like, or various functions like planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. You have to control the activities of the different individuals who are working in the organization, and the management ensures that the goals can be achieved with minimum cost and in time. So management increases efficiency of the organization. Third, management creates a dynamic organization. Yes, as you know, your business world is totally dynamic in nature. It keeps on changing frequently. So what management does? Management creates a dynamic organization. Means as per the change in the environment, the organization used to adapt itself according to the change in the environment. It builds up confidence among the different individuals who are working in the organization whenever any change take place in the environment, and it boosts up the morale of the individual to face the challenges that are coming in the new environment. So thus management helps in creating a dynamic environment. Fourth, management helps in achieving personal objectives. As we have already discussed, there are two kinds of objective. One is organizational objective and the another is your personal objective. Personal objective are basically related with the individuals who are working in the organization. As we know, different individuals come from different backgrounds, they have their different needs, they have their different wants. So management helps in achieving or establishing a harmony between the personal objectives and the organizational objective, so that the value of inculcation value of could say belongingness can be inculcated in the minds of the individuals, and this will help the management to achieve the organizational goals by fulfilling the personal objectives of the individuals. If management creates harmony between these, so it will be easy for the management to achieve the organizational goal. Fifth, management helps in the development of society. An organization has multiple objectives to serve the purpose of different groups that constitute it. In the process of fulfilling all these, management helps in the development of the organization, and through that, it helps in the development of the society. It helps to provide quality products and services, creating employment opportunities, adopt new technology for the greater good of the people, and leads the path towards the growth and development of the society. Now, when you talk about the fifth point of importance of management, management helps in the development of society. Yes, management also helps in the development of the society, like by creating new job opportunities for the unemployed youths, providing good quality products at a reasonable price, clear, adopt of new technology for the greater good of the people. So all these activities that has been done by the management helps in the development of the society. So you can say management helps in the development of the society. So this is what all in this video. Thank you for your patience listening. Thank you.